Good morning, everybody. We got red futures, we got the red cryptos, and we got red Teslas. Everything is very weak. So yesterday, it was funny. Market was green futures, then it went down. Then it at the beginning, Texas started jumping up. Then we made a V upside down U and went lower. And technically, it was supposed to gap down today, and it sure did, thanks to cryptos. And but this market last few months, they just avoided technical a lot of times. Even though technical says it's gonna gap down, it went the opposite way. So right now is one of the first time actually in the last few months that we got a gap. We're getting a gap down after a week day. So that's something interesting to note. And market, it's 1 2 weeks away from the earnings season. As I keep saying, before earnings season there is a high chance people wants to take profit on the big run up names, and then they will see if they buy it before earning or buy it after earning. And yeah, so anyhow, crypto affected markets a lot today. And but was interesting, market started dropping this morning. It still was up until like 6 a.m. ES pre-market right now 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is downward. Daily dead cross downward, and the MACD is wide opening right now. On the weekly RSI we are coming a little bit down, so once it gets out of this zone it can get interesting, more bearish. And the weekly is curving down a little bit. And as you can see here, market was okay until like 5 a.m. Then I'm not sure what exactly happened at 5 a.m. that it starts dumping more. Because crypto start falling last night, like at, I don't know, 11, 12, 9, not sure exactly what time. NQ, same thing, like yes, it was up until 5 a.m. Then it starts dumping. 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything downward. Daily MACD is opening more wide downward, and you can see here weekly MACD dead cross is getting very close. If that happens, then we're gonna have bigger drops. Dow Jones, Dow Jones daily MACD is dead cross, everything downward. RUT, whenever you feel RUT is breaking out and going crazy, that's the time it will have surprise for you, and that's what it is right now. Right now, daily MACD is near dead cross and everything pointing down. DXY is still a little bit green, a little bit. I mean, almost flat. So it's still between 104 and 105, just up and down. It was very non-stop running up yesterday, and still very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hours a little bit curved down. So we'll see if it goes above 105, 145. Be careful about that. TNX is one of the biggest problem causing this morning. Seems like it sure is 1.5% TNX run up. That is not good at all. The two. So this one, 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hour is upward. Daily, weekly is upward, and is breaking 43,671. And we have tons of Fed people talking this week. With TNX running up right now and the market at all-time high, and it starts rolling down, that's not gonna be good. So we have Powell, we have job report, and the TNX is above 43.71. So next target there is 44.6, 45.74. Weekly, daily upward. God bless the small caps for now. Weeks 6% higher. This one next target is 1479. Next target is, if past that one, we're looking at 1526, 1586, 5, 1530, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything upward. Daily MACD is golden cross, so don't touch calls. My suggestion. Wait until you see a 5 and 15 MACD dead cross, then is a good time to touch calls. Um, SPX. So ES is how many points down? ES is, my computer is slow. 39 points. So 40 points. SPX 40 points. So SPX is at 5200 right now. 5200, 5200. If it can hold it, we're looking at 5194. Below that, if it goes crazier lower, 5181, 5169, 5153. BTC. BTC Weekly, we got a dark blue bar, so that is a very bad sign. That's a little bit bearish sign. Pre-market 4 hour daily is downward, and 1 hour is downward. So until the 1 hour is not golden cross, this rundown can continue lower. ETH to do same thing. Weekly, we got a dark blue bar. Apple do so Apple 168.71, that's a key level to watch. If that one can hold it, we're looking at 167.56, 166.15. Need to get above 169.85 for running back up. But in general, trend is down. Then the 4 hour got a dead cross yesterday at the open. So until the 1 hour is not golden cross, trend is down. And if a daily MACD dead cross, not gonna be good. Um, I'm gonna get to Tesla too. I'm not. Amazon 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour downward. Made a new all-time high. It was interesting at open. As I keep saying, this 182 was a key level. It passed it, jumped a little bit higher, but didn't continue more. So it was kind of weak and then went lower. And the 4 hour right now is dead cross. Daily MACD is golden cross yesterday, but the market is too so weak right now. But keep in mind, daily is golden cross on Amazon. So this one, if market bounce up, if market reverse, this one is a good category of a stronger name for now. But yeah, so if 178.57 can hold it, next target is 177.43, 174, 173.24. Need to pass 180.02 to running back up to 182 and higher level. Nvidia to do 16 points lower. So this one, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is downward, daily very down. Yesterday was very interesting. It opened and jumped up, but then it couldn't even hold for like 10, 20 minutes. And then it started rolling down big time. So that's a bad sign. That means, people are really exiting. So 885, if you can hold it, we're looking at 880, 877. If 877 pass, 871 and 863 is the next major level. Need to pass 891 for recovery to back up 896, 903, and 8911. And just keep in mind, a lot of names right now have a bearish setup on the 15, 30, most of the time frames right now. Just trend is down. Most likely will continue a little bit down at open, then we'll see what's gonna happen. But in order for market to bounce up, wait for the 5 minutes and better wait for the 15 minutes MACD golden cross, then solid bounce up comes. Otherwise, everything, all the bounce up are temporary and just can be short term. AVGO 20 points lower, everything is down, so that there we're looking at 1320. Next level, if can hold it back to 1300, and if you pass that one, those are the next level. Need to get above 1341 for recovery to go back higher. But coin actually is really interesting. Only 14 points down on a 7% drop on BTC because they collect fees. So even people sell, they make money. So maybe more drop at open 237 if you can hold it, 233 and 230 is the next level. Below 230, next major is 220. If in case bounce up happens, 241 is a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 248 next major level. Netflix, a few points lower, still holding up stronger than other names, but showed weakness last week. So this one, if continues lower, 606, 601, 595. Need to pass 611 for recovery, 613, 616, 619 if goes for recovery. Doubt 619 comes. Meta every day, same scenario. Opens, dumps, recovers, then weaken. Last 5 days it's been just like that. Just buy a put at open, you make good money in the first 2 minutes, sell it, switch to call. That's just what happened on Meta. So if it falls again, 484, 481, 477, 23, and then it can go. If it does go for recovery, 487 passes, we're looking at 488, 491, 490 and 491, 95 is the next major. It was interesting yesterday. We got a 4 hour golden cross, but market is weakening right now, so it's dead crossing again. So trend is still down there. Weekly is curved down. Tesla, poor Tesla, poor Tesla. So 160.51 is the season low, and right now 380,000 car they announced, but that's a very very low number. So I expect this goes lower. So 160 is gonna come, 161, 158.95. That's the next major low. 158, high chance to come out open. If it passes that one, we're looking at 154.01, 149.08, and 146.03. Watch 158. Once that one breaks, not gonna be good. 160.51 was a season low, breaks that one. 158.95 breaks that one. We're looking for 154, 150 can come this week. Just keep that in mind. Very bearish. Looking everything. Just look how down these MACDs are, like 90-degree open downward. Need to get 5 minutes MACD and then 15 minutes MACD golden cross, and then it can go for recovery. Very low chance, but not impossible. Microsoft. Microsoft 4 hours dead cross joining the drop, opening below 420. Next levels are 418, 416, 415, 36. Google do very nice jump up yesterday. Finally made a new all-time high. It's still in the category of strong names. 4 hours not dead cross, but market is weakening. So if weakness continues, this can tag along. 152, 151 next supports. If those doesn't hold, then it can go to the lower levels. AMD, very nice jump up yesterday, but again, same like Nvidia can hold it. This couldn't hold it either. I loved it that it showed the yellow bar on the daily TTM squeeze, but right now 4 hours curved down and very bearish. Went back to 179.28. So if that one can hold it, 176, 173, 62, those are the next major level. Need to get above 180.23 for running up to 181 and 183. Boeing. Boeing, nothing exciting. I'm about to give up on this name too. So 187 if you can't hold it, 184, 183. Need to get above 189 to run back to 190 and higher level. SPY opening 4 points lower. We didn't have that long time. 4 points lower. So 517.82. If you can't hold it, next major is 516, 514.7, 513.74. Watch 517.82. That's a very important level. Need to pass 518.42 for running back up to the 519 and 520. QQQ. Let's see, 439. If we can hold there, we're looking at 437, 436.79. 436 breaks. Next major level is 434, 432, and 431.55. Until the 1 hour and 30 minutes MACD is not golden cross, don't expect a major bounce up this week. Yeah, that's it about that one. IWM going lower there too. So that one, next level is 203, 201. To SMH. I'm starting to covering SMH too because it's a ETF for semis. So 223 if it passes, we're looking at 219. TLT. Weekly MACD is about to dead cross. Daily MACD is about to dead cross. Gapping down today. 92.2. It's already passed. So next levels are 89.45, 86.03. What else? Everything is just gapped down today. 160 if you can hold Airbnb, we're looking at 157.06. Airbnb opening about below 500. I'm sorry, Adobe opening up below 500. Next level major levels are in 484, 480, 478. ARM still holding up compared to other names. One more drop, 122, 120, 128. What else? JP Morgan has earning next week, and this one probably maybe get some exit if can go to 193.77. What else? MSTR keeps falling there. 1470, 1424, 1368, 1274. Those are the next major level. That's pretty much it on the major names. QCOM 3 points lower there too. 167 if you can hold it. We are looking at 165, 162, 161, 57. SMCI opening below 1000. If 996 pass, we're looking at 980, 960. Below 960 can go all the way down to 928. What else? MU made a new all-time high yesterday, but it's still holding up. 122, 120, 36 is the next support level. That's pretty much it on the major names. So yeah, um, yeah, okay, all right, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and market is still continues going lower. Um, yeah, just non-stop until the 3 minutes, 3 and 5 minutes. MACD is not golden cross. Don't expect a major bounce up, but we'll see. Market sometimes does irrational moves. Maybe it's just possible to opens and then right away bounce up, and maybe from the open continues going lower. So be prepared for any scenario. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.